In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an organization in Zoho CRM. Maybe you've come to a point where you've decided that it's time to remove your organization from the Zoho CRM platform. Whether it's because you're switching platforms or just need a fresh start, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, head over to the top navigation menu. Here, you'll find the Setup section, typically located on the top right corner of the interface. Click on it, and this will take you to a menu that offers a plethora of options to customize and manage your CRM account. From here, you're going to look for the option labeled General. This is the section where you can manage the overall settings related to your company within Zoho CRM. Once you click on General, you'll see a submenu. Select Company Details from this list. This area contains all the information regarding the organization registered in your CRM. It's also where you'll find the option to delete the entire CRM account. Scroll down to the bottom of the Company Details page. Here, you should see a button that says something like Delete CRM Account. It's crucial to double-check that you're in the right place, as deleting the CRM account is a permanent action and will erase all the data linked to that organization within Zoho CRM. When you click the Delete CRM Account button, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. This is Zoho's way of ensuring that such a significant step is deliberate. It will likely ask if you're sure or if you want to proceed with this deletion. At this point, carefully consider whether you want to continue, as this action will remove all records associated with your organization from the CRM software permanently. If you are indeed ready to go ahead, confirm the action when prompted. Remember, this is a permanent step. Once confirmed, the deletion process takes effect, and your organization, along with all its data in the CRM, will be erased. It's always a good practice to back up any data you might need in the future before completing this process. In conclusion, by navigating to Setup, transitioning to General, exploring company details, and confirming your deletion, you'll efficiently delete your organization from Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.